Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our kickoff meeting for the Dallas Love Field Airport, the Airside Apron Improvement Project. Okay, today this is the agenda we're gonna have for this meeting. First of all, we're gonna in a little bit we're gonna start greetings so everyone can introduce themselves. Then we're gonna do a small introduction of the project that you all should be aware of. We're gonna talk about our main things for the scope of our work. Um, also, we're gonna discuss some part of the budget and the schedule. After that, we're uh, we're gonna show in detail the project team, the and the most important after that are project goals. All right. Just before we finish, I need to touch. We're gonna talk about our quality and safety. Okay. At the end, we're gonna have a questions session for Q&A for anybody who may have any questions about this meeting. All right. Well, now let's go. All start here. We all know each other, and the people that doesn't know each other, everyone can introduce themselves. Right now, you all know me. I'm Carlos Velasco. I'm the project manager. We have here the owner and the subcontractors. Also, they're here. I know you. I saw you talking to you early before this meeting. We're all gonna be working on this team. So welcome to this such an incredible project. So let's start with our the project information. This is our introduction of the project. Well, as you all know, this project is in the Dallas Love Field Airport. It's located in the city of Dallas in the state of Texas here in the U.S. The owner of the project is the Dallas Love Field team and the city of Dallas. Okay, both of them are going to be the person. They're the owners of the of the project, and they will be um, the ones in charge of reviewing everything that we do over here. The design engineer of the project is HCT. We've worked with them before in the DFW airport, so we hope that all our relations keep the same. The project has a duration of 4.5 years, and the project cost is $89 million. Our scope of work that we have, or the main activities that we have for Haskell is the self-performed work. This will be the concrete removal, the ground stabilization, all the dirt work that it will be creating all the layers of CTB and AB and the drainage rock. Everything is required by design as you have on our specifications book and drawings. And finally, we'll be creating the new concrete pavement. Uh, our work here in the project will be the replacing all the existing concrete pavement, and we're going to be creating the new system, installing a new system, removing the old one. For that part of installation and removing our system, we will be subcontracting all that with our subcontractors that are present here right now. We have the jet fuel lines, the existing jet fuel lines that after excavation will have to be removed so we can stabilize the soil and do all the dirt, as you know. Um, we're gonna be removing the existing drainage and we're gonna put the new system. We have to be really careful while we're doing the removal of the drainage and the jet fuel lines because we have environmental requirements that and we're gonna have we have our environmental consultant that will be in charge of supervising all of our work. Um, as well, the electrical and the removal and installation of the electrical will be done by our subcontractor. As I mentioned before, a budget of 89 million. We're working a really low margin of profit. As you all know, this is a city work and the most efficient and productive company is the one that performs this work. So it's a little bit of high risk that we're going to be having over here So we all have to be really careful with everything that we do, right? All the change orders will be handled as we all know. We're gonna try to keep it as minimal, owner, so don't worry about it. The scale of the projects will be 4.5 years. It will be done in phases. We have 4 phases uh, per explained by the engineers. These phases will be coordinated with the airport, with airport operations, and we're going to be going all around the terminal building, doing this removal and reinstallation of concrete. Obviously, the weather would be a huge influence on our schedule during the year, as you all know. In the winter and spring, all the rains and snow and low temperatures reduce our activities and also creates a hazard for the airport operations. For that reason, we're going to have to have the most amount of activities being performed during the summertime and fall. So all that would be more in detail into our project management schedule and our meetings. So as you all know, we have this our project team. We have our operation manager that you all know. This is Mike Tyson. I'm the project manager. We have our assistant project manager over there, and our project engineers will be the ones working in the field and the office. Our safety manager, quality managers, and the superintendent will have all the foremen and the crews under him. Okay. Um, as you all know, if you have communicated anything with me, you can always come to my office and send an email. My doors are open. The project goals that we have for the Lofty Airport, that this is the main and most important thing here. We want to do this project in 4.2 years. Yep, we're reducing that amount of 4.5 years. We're going to do it faster. We're going to do it better, and we expect to reduce approximately about $4 million from our estimated budget. That was part of their contingency. That's our goal. We're gonna be doing the project under schedule and under budget. Okay. We're gonna have the minimum safety incidents, if possible, 0, and the minimum rework performed as well, if possible, will be 0. And at the end, the second most important thing, it will be the owner's maximum satisfaction level. Okay. I want to talk about a little bit about the quality. The quality for us at Haskell is to deliver the highest quality possible. So for that reason, we'll have all the tests and reports based on the procedures that are made in the specification book, also under our own specifications in the company. We will keep control of all these tests, of the required tests and reports to maintain the highest quality levels possible during the life of this project. For safety, safety is the main thing that we have to take care of during this project. We have their manpower or employees is the most important thing for the company, and we have to take care of them. For that reason, we're going to be doing weekly walkthroughs, weekly meetings. We have our safety manual that everyone is aware of, and we have 24-hour personal protection equipment available for all the employees. So there's no excuse for nobody being missing any type of PPE. All the foremen and workers have to do a task planner daily, okay? And if any case there's an incident or accident, have to be recorded and saved properly, as is stated in OSHA. Okay. Well, guys, now it comes to the part of questions and answers. Just before you start, I just wanted to tell you that I'm super excited to start this project with everyone, and our communication in this project is critical. It's super important, and I want you to know that here in Haskell we have everything available for everyone. I don't want miscommunications in here. We are a team, and we are gonna work as a team. Thank you very much, and the questions and answers can start.